Hey everybody, Ben Nelson here with another update for you on the Portland metro area real estate market. Looking at January numbers from this year, 2020. Inventory is up slightly from December. We're at 2.2 months of inventory, which is still quite a bit lower than where we started last year, 2019. We had 3.3 months inventory. If you look back at 2018, we started very similar and we never got above 2 months of inventory for the rest of the spring. It was in June when we finally got back above the 2 month inventory mark. So it will be really interesting to see if it plays out the same here in spring. We still have very high demand, low inventory obviously, and I think we're going to see a lot of buyers vying for the same product, lots of multiple offers, just because we continue to have that low inventory, especially if it continues to trend down like it did in 2018 and gets under that 2 month inventory mark. New listings were way down in December, if you remember. They were down this January compared to last year, about 10% compared to January 2019, but they were up over 116% compared to December. So we had over double the amount of listings coming on the market as we did in December, and still only just over 2 months of inventory. Pending sales are up 11% compared to January of 2019 and up about 28% compared to December 2019. So we started the year off with a bang, lots of pending sales right off the bat. Closed sales are up about 14% versus January 2019. They are down about 24% compared to January of 2019. We had a pretty good spike in closings in that month, and with all of the pending activity and new listings, I expect that those numbers will be up again as well. And those closed sales are actually better than the last two January numbers. We have more closed sales in January 2020 compared to the last prior 2 years. Days on market are up again a little bit, 76 days on market on average. That is slightly shorter than it was January 2019. Just your typical trend of a little bit slower time of year with less people looking, but also, in my opinion, a sign of a lack of good inventory. I think the days on market are getting a little skewed from homes that are hanging out there, maybe overpriced, not very good product, because the homes that are priced well and that are in good condition are selling very, very quickly. The affordability index is hanging right around 122%, mostly due to low rates, so it'll be interesting to see if those hang around and stay low this entire year. That will help keep that affordability there overall in the market. Otherwise, if we see those rates start to make some adjustments up, obviously that'll play out and that affordability will start to taper. As always, I will post the full market action report on my Facebook page, so be sure to check that out if you want to see all of the charts and data and all that fun stuff. Again, if I can be of any help in getting you from where you are to where you want to be, let me know how I can help you get there. Would love to help.